Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about an interesting topic that's relevant to the world of electronics, that is microcontrollers and microprocessors. So in this video guys, I will be discussing the differences between the two, how they work and their applications. So let's start with the basics. A microcontroller is a small computer on a single integrated circuit that contains a processor, memory, and input output peripherals. So, these devices are often used in embedded systems to control and monitor a wide range of devices such as sensors, motors, and displays. So, on the other hand, a microprocessor is a central processing unit, which is CPU, on a single chip that performs arithmetic and logic operations. So, microprocessors are usually used in personal computers, laptops, and mobile phones. So, now the main difference between a microcontroller and a microprocessor is that a microcontroller has all the components required to control and monitor a system on a single chip, while a microprocessor only has the CPU and requires additional components to perform input output operations. So, another difference is that microcontrollers are designed to perform a specific task only, and while the microprocessors are designed for general purpose computing. So, friends, this means that microcontrollers are more efficient at their specific task but may not be suitable for other tasks. So, in terms of programming, microcontrollers are programmed using low level languages such as assembly language or C, while microprocessors are programmed using high level languages such as C++ or Java. Okay, so friends, now let's talk about the applications of microcontrollers and microprocessors. So, microcontrollers are commonly used in devices such as washing machines, air conditioners, and home automation systems. So, they are also used in robotics and automotive systems. So microprocessors are on the other hand are used in personal computers, laptops and mobile phones. So they are usually used in gaming consoles, medical devices and industrial control systems. So microcontrollers and microprocessors are both essential components of modern computing systems. While they have similarities in terms of architecture and operation, so they are designed for different applications. So microcontrollers are efficient at specific tasks while microprocessors are designed for general purpose computing. Okay, friends, let's dive deeper into the electronics aspect of microcontrollers and microprocessors. So, a microcontroller is a type of integrated circuit that consists of a central processing unit, that is CPU, read only memory ROM, random access memory RAM. So, input output ports, timers, and other peripherals all on a single chip. So, the CPU is responsible for executing instructions while the memory stores the program and data. On the other hand, microcontrollers are used in embedded systems where they control and monitor various devices such as sensors, motors, and displays. So, they are commonly used in automation, robotics, automotive, and industrial control system. So, microcontrollers are programmed using low level languages such as assembly language or C. These languages allow the programmer to have direct control over the hardware and execute operations efficiently. So, on the other hand, a microprocessor is a central processing unit on a single chip that performs arithmetic and logic operations, as I told you before. So, it requires external memory and input output devices to function. So, microprocessors are used in general purpose computing devices such as personal computers, laptops, and mobile phones. So, microprocessors are programmed using high level languages such as C, Java, Python, and these languages offer more abstractions and make programming easier, but they are not as efficient as low level languages. So, friends, the field of electronics is closely related to microcontrollers and microprocessors. In fact, many electronics engineers specialized in designing and programming embedded systems using microcontrollers, and electronics engineers also design and develop computer hardware and peripherals such as graphics cards, motherboards, and other components used in microprocessors. So, in conclusion, microcontroller and microprocessors are fundamental components of modern electronic systems like like they are used in a wide range of applications from home automation to industrial control systems. So their use is essential in today's society, and the field of electronics will continue to evolve as technology advances. So friends, if I'm talking about the applications, so microcontrollers and microprocessors have a wide range of applications in various fields such as automotive, aerospace, medical, and consumer electronics. Some examples of their applications include like automotive, where engine control units, airbag systems, and anti-lock braking systems. And other hand, aerospace, which is flight control systems, satellite communication systems, and navigation systems. And if I'm talking about the medical, like patient monitoring systems, diagnostic equipment, and implantable devices. And next one is consumer electronics, which is smartphones, laptops, tablets, and home appliances. So there are numerous examples of microcontrollers and microprocessors available in the market today. Some of the most popular ones included: in microcontrollers, there is Arduino, Raspberry Pi, PIC, AVR, STM32, etc. And in microprocessors, there is Intel Pentium, AMD Ryzen, ARM Cortex, Qualcomm Snapdragon, and Apple M1. So friends, let me summarize the main differences between microcontrollers and microprocessors. So first is architecture. A microcontroller is a complete system on a single chip, including a CPU, memory, and input-output peripherals. A microprocessor only contains a CPU and requires additional component to perform input-output operations. Second is purpose. So microcontrollers are designed to perform a specific task or set of tasks, while microprocessors are designed for general purpose computing. Third one is applications. So microcontrollers are commonly used in embedded systems such as home automation, automotive, robotics, and industrial control system. Microprocessors are used in personal computers, laptops, mobile phones, gaming consoles, medical devices, and industrial control systems. So fourth one is programming. So microcontrollers are programmed using low-level languages such as assembly language or C, while microprocessors are programmed using high-level languages such as C++ or Java. So fifth one is memory. Microcontrollers have limited memory, typically ranging from a few kilobytes to a few megabytes. So microprocessors require external memory to function, which can range from a few kilobytes to several gigabytes. So sixth one is cost. Microcontrollers are generally less expensive than microprocessors because they are designed for specific tasks and have fewer components. So, friends, microcontrollers and microprocessors have different architectures, purposes, applications, programming languages, memory, and cost. So, choosing between the two depends on the specific application and requirements of the system. So, there you have it, a brief overview of microcontroller and microprocessor. I hope this video was informative and helpful. While they have some similarities, they also have some key differences in terms of their design, functionality, and applications. I hope you found this video informative and interesting. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and all the best for your exams.